स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः इति पाठस्य द्वितीयायां कक्षायां स्मः। एषा द्वितीया कक्षा अस्ति। पूर्वम् अस्माभिः पठितं यत् केचन बालकाः काश्चन बालिकाश्च स्वतंत्रता दिवसे ध्वजारोहण कार्यक्रमाय गच्छन्तः सन्ति। तेषु कश्चित् वदति अस्माकं राष्ट्रध्वजस्य नाम किम्? तदानीं वदति अस्माकं राष्ट्रध्वजस्य नाम त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः। अस्माकं राष्ट्रध्वजः त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः। ह्यः अस्माभिः विजयदिवसः आचरितः। कार्गिल् विजयदिवसः। कार्गिल् युद्धे अस्माकं वीराः धीराः पराक्रमिणः सैनिकाः कार्गिल् क्षेत्रे विजयं प्राप्तवन्तः। तस्मात् ह्यः आसीत् कार्गिल् विजयदिवसः। तत्र ये हुतात्मानः आसन् तेभ्यः गौरवसमर्पणम् अस्माभिः कृतम्। अस्माकं ध्वजस्य नाम त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः। किमर्थम् एषः त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः? एषः त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः यतः अत्र त्रयः वर्णाः सन्ति। कति वर्णाः सन्ति? त्रयः वर्णाः सन्ति। के ते त्रयः वर्णाः? अत्र प्रथमं केसरवर्णः, द्वितीयः श्वेतवर्णः, अनन्तरं हरितवर्णः अस्ति इति वदति। एतेषां त्रयाणां वर्णानां नामानि जानाति। केसरवर्णः शौर्यस्य, श्वेतः सत्यस्य, हरितश्च समृद्धेः सूचकाः। केसरवर्णः शौर्यस्य, शूरता वीरतायाः प्रतीकः अस्ति केसरवर्णः। श्वेतः अस्ति सत्यस्य सूचकः। हरितश्च समृद्धेः सूचकाः सन्ति। किम् एतेषां वर्णानाम् अन्यदपि महत्त्वम्? अदर् देन् दिस्, इस् देर् एनिथिङ्ग् स्पेशालिटी आफ् दीस् कलर्स्? तदानीं वदति। पश्यन्तु, एषः अस्ति नूतनपाठ्यक्रमः। अस्य वर्षस्य पाठ्यक्रमः अस्ति। भवन्तः पश्यन्तु। डेविडः वदति। डेविड् अन्यदपि डेविडः वदति, आम् कथं न, ध्वजस्य उपरि स्थितः केसरवर्णः त्यागस्य उत्साहस्य च सूचकः। मध्ये स्थितः श्वेतवर्णः सात्विकतायाः शुचितायाः च द्योतकः। अधः स्थितः हरितवर्णः वसुन्धरायाः सुषमायाः ऊर्वर प्रिंट मिस्टेक इज देयर, ऊर्वरतायाश्च द्योतकः। So David is telling what are all the other specialities of the Indian flag and their colors. Katham na, how it is not? Yes, definitely there is something special to know about these colors. Dhvajasya upari sthitah kesaravarnah. On the top there is a saffron color. Tyagasya उत्साहस्य च सूचकः। प्रथमम् अस्माभिः ज्ञातं केसरवर्णः शौर्यस्य सूचकः इति। इदानीं वदति केसरवर्णः न केवलं शौर्यं, त्यागस्य उत्साहस्य च सूचकः। दिस् saffron color is the symbolic of sacrifice. Earlier we have learnt bravery. It is not only tells the bravery, it tells about the sacrifice. Tyagaha nama sacrifice. Utsahasya. Utsaha, enthusiasm. Utsaha means enthusiasm. That means the country people, the Indian people are very known for their sacrifice, and they are always enthusiastic, very enthusiastic. Madhye sthitaha shvetavarnaha. In the middle, first saffron is there. Madhye sthitaha shvetavarnaha. In the center we have white color. Satvikatayaha. Satvika means good. The goodness of the people. Indian people are known for goodness. They are the very good people. Vasundhara Shvetavarnaha Satvikatayaha Shuchitayaha cha Dhyotakaha. White always tells about the cleanliness. Shuchihi. Shuchihi means clean. We are very clean at heart. We are very clean. Shuchitayaha Swachha Bharatam Tasmat eva vadamaha. Shuchitayaha cha Dhyotakam. Adhaha sthitaha Haritavarnaha. In the end, down, you can see the Haritavarnaha, green color. Vasundharayaha, Sushamayaha, Urvaratayaha, Chadhyotakaha. Vasundhara, Bhumi. The land of the India is Sushama, Hareli. It is very green. And Urvaratayaha Dhyotakaha, fertile. It is the symbol of fertility. So green always symbolizes the prosperity. The prosperity comes when the land is fertile, is it not? When the land is fertile, then only you will get the green crop. That's why Urvarata. Urvaraha nama fertile, fertility. Tejindaraha. Tejindaraha vadati. Shuche dhvajasya madhye ekam नीलवर्णम चक्रम वर्तते. ध्वजस्य मध्ये एकम नीलवर्णम चक्रम वर्तते. Tejinder is observing in the center, in the white color, there is a wheel, chakram. Tat katham asti? Neelavarnam chakram. The chakra is in blue color, navy blue. Shuchihi. Am, correct. Idam Ashoka Chakram Kathyate. Etat Pragatehe Nyayasya cha Pravartakam. Saranathe Ashoka Stambhaha Asti. Tasmat eva etat gruhitam. Very beautifully. General knowledge you will get now. Am, correct. Idam Ashoka Chakram Vartate. The wheel in the center of the flag, it is called Ashoka Chakram. People call it as a Ashoka Chakra. Etat Pragatehe Nyayasya cha Pravartakam. This wheel tells about the progress. Pragatihi means progress. Nyayaha, truthful, justice. Justice, it symbolizes. The wheel symbolizes the progress and the justice. You should remember this one. Saranathe Ashoka Stambhaha Asti. In Saranath, there is a Ashoka pillar is there. Tasmat eva etat gruhitam. From that Ashoka pillar, this chakra, this wheel is adopted. This wheel adopted from the Sarnath Ashoka pillar. Pranavaha. Asmin chakre Chaturvimshatihi araha santi. Very beautiful. You must know that in the wheel there are foxes. Araha. Araha means fox. There are 24 fox are there. In the wheel there are Chaturvimshatihi. Jananti kala? 24 wheels, fox are there. Mary Bharatasya Samvidhana Sabhayam Dvavimshatihi July Saptachatvarimshat Adhika Navadasha Shatatame. Once again, learn how to tell the years in Sanskrit. We will take from the back. Sapta Chatvarimshat, 47. Adhika, more. Navadasha Shatatame. Saptachatvarimshat adhika navadasha shatatame varshe samagrataya asya dhvajasya swikaranam jatam. Samvidhanam. Samvidhanam means in the republic. Understood? Bharatasya Samvidhana Sabhayam. In the meeting, the flag is accepted on 22nd July 1947. Understood? In the democracy, we have accepted it as a national flag on 22nd July 1947. You must remember, it's a very good GK. General knowledge, you will get it. Tejindaraha asmakam. Asmakam trivarnaha dhvajaha swadhinatayaha rashtragauravasya cha pratikaha. Ata eva swatantrata divase ganatantra divase cha अस्य ध्वजस्य उत्तोलनं समारोहपूर्वकं भवति. जयतु त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः जयतु भारतम् इति. अस्माकं त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः, दिस् ट्राइकलर फ्लैग, स्वाधीनतायाः इंडिपेंडेंस and राष्ट्रगौरवस्य Rashtrasya Gauravam, Rashtra Gauravam. The respect for the country it symbolizes. The flag always symbolizes respect for the country and the independence of the country. That is, the country is a independent. Ataha eva, that's why Swatantrata Divase, on the day of Independence, Independence Day and Republic Day, Asya Dhvajasya Uttolanam, this flag is hoisted Samaroha Purvakam, like a festival bhavati, it happens. We celebrate the Independence Day and Republic Day as a national festival. Because, why? It tells about the independence of the country. It tells about the respect for the country. So that means when you are going on the Independence Day for the flag hoisting, you should remember this is the utmost respect I am giving to my country. So the respect which you give to the national flag is the utmost respect that you give for your country. That's why in our school, whenever the flag hoisting is there, wherever you are, you have to come to the Savdhan and you should show your respect. You are not only showing respect to the flag, it is showing the respect to the country. That's what we have to inculcate. Anywhere you go, when you see the national flag, you should show your respect. When you listen the national anthem, you should be showing your respect to the country. That's what very important. Jayatu Trivarnaha Dhvajaha. Let this tricolor flag be always victorious. Jayatu Bharatam. Let the India be victorious always. Being Indians, it should be there in our blood that the love for the nation. Yesterday only we have celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas. Those are the great souls who have sacrificed their life for the sake of the country. Is it not? Everybody lives for the selfish, for himself, but they are the great who live for the country. That's why we are very lucky to see such a people among us. Amongst you, you are going to take that noble profession. That is the utmost service that you can do for your country. So that's why being in Sainik school, it is a proud moment to know about the Indian flag. My dear boys, at 7th class itself you should know all these things. So it's a lifetime for every Indian citizen must know about the Indian flag. Adya vayam पुनः एकवारं सम्पूर्णं पाठं पठामः. पाठस्य नाम अस्ति त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः इति. अद्य समयः समाप्तः अस्ति. श्वस्तनकक्षायां वयं पुनः पाठं पठित्वा अत्र व्याकरणांशान् जानीमः. संयोग संधि इत्यादीनि विषयाणां ज्ञानम् अपेक्षितं भवति. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं. धन्यवादाः.